Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I got a little short video just for a very small little repair. It's on the DT and RT from I guess 68 to 73. The little clutch worm that it's in the side case where the cable hooks up to it and pulls it. It's a worm that actuates the clutch rod that goes all the way through to the clutch side. Those they break pretty often, and a lot of people are making the new bronze worm for it. And I picked up one from KDI, and I'm going to put that thing on, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, here's what we've got. This is the broken one here. It's just the worm that's inside the actuator here, or the arm. And it's you can look at how it's oriented now, but it's probably not going to be right. So what you want to do is, because since it's broke, it's moved already on that shaft. Let me see if I can just get that out of there. Maybe harder to get it off than there. I think that's going to do it. Like I say, I wouldn't put too much stock in how it's on there, because it probably has moved anyway since it's all split. Okay, let me take a minute here and I'll clean this up. Okay, now this is the new one, of course, and it's just going to press onto here, but you've got to get it oriented right first. And the way I'm looking at it is it's telling me to basically draw an imaginary line from one of these, this edge right here, to right about here. It's kind of at an angle, and that's how you want that oriented. So that's, I think, about what we want right there. So at this edge right here to right here. So I believe I've got that the way it needs to be. And I'm going to get you over here to my press. Now you can use a vise to do this too, but I've got a little dake press, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, you can see that I've just got it sitting here in my press, and I've still got this oriented the way I set it up before. And I'm just going to use a little piece of aluminum here to push that, so I don't damage the bronze. And that should be in place right there. So down we go. And there's the repaired part. So there we go. It's mine's a little tight here, but I think it's okay. It's just when it comes down to pretty close to the bottom, I'm sure that it will work in. But now my case is an NOS case, so that might be, see, I don't even have a spring in here yet. I've got to get a spring, but yeah, they may be a little tight at first. Now, a worn one is probably not going to be as much so. But there you go. It's not too bad a job. And just make sure when you put this back in that you get it all greased up. So there you go. Pretty easy fix. Like I said, I got this part from KDI, he puts together a lot of good products over there, and if you need Yamaha parts, that's where you need to go look first. So hey, thanks for going along on the ride, and see you next video.